Guys, me here today doing a squishy unboxing. My mum took them out of the boxing, so let's start with one. Start with this panda bun. It's got a huge chunk out of it. That does not matter because it's going to get defective. Oh, it's dirty. I need to get better lighting. Wait, let me see how light it is out here. Can you see better? So like if I'm going to be squishing. No. Oh. Yeah. I'm going to put you in the light. Yeah. So. Oh. Dominic, can I have your 3 squishes for a sec? I'm going to get the squishes off my nephew. So Dominic's here with 3 of the squishes I gave him. Anyway, so let's give this a squish in the packaging as well. It's super duper squishy and going down. Right. I'm just going to take one off him. So we got this little panda bun. It's very nice. It's not oh gosh, I defected it. I'm joking. There you go. Now acrylic humor. So I got this acrylic humor ice cream. Squish the cone. And squash the whole thing. I've been told that these sprinkles do fall off, but that's okay. Then you have this little cat. Not cat. What is it? Bear. Oh. So, please proper show them. Alright. There you go. So, then this came with 2 in. So let me get one of. Oh, I got the emoji bun. So it's not actually that squishy. Let's put that over. Then I squished this when I got him in. So let me put. Did I show you? Just double. Guys, I don't know if you can see that, but there's a huge rip. That's fine, but I will be contacting them. I need to get it back in the packaging. This. I'm going to sit on a squishy. This one. In the packaging. Just till the end of the video. So, sit on that. This. Diaz, I think it is, but okay, it's like coming off. Let's just pull that bit off. I ordered 20. I've got 17. No, I gave Dominic. So I've only done 3 so far. No, 4. I'm starting one. So I've got this Cafe Dien. Thank you. I'm also really excited for one. So I got this Super Slow Rising. Thank you. These are off Amazon. Wondering. Got this little loaf of green bread. So yes, this. I have no idea, but it's a mushroom. That's Super Slow Rising, and it came in this bag. Okay. We did order the packaging, but that does not matter. But I didn't get scammed at least. Only on one of them I'm not happy with, and it's that skin that's coming off on one. So I'm just trying to turn it. I popped a bubble in it, so no air gets in it. So yeah, I can't wait. Ah! So one more squeeze in the packaging. I've got this Cafe Dien ice cream. So thank you. And some of them don't come with key rings, but that says tastes fine. We can attach them to our coats. I don't know how though. Oh well. Still sat in the banana. Then we have this bread loaf. So yeah. So if you can hear like crying in the background, it's just my nephew. So oh yes! He got 2 of these the same, but one of them's different. Oh, dropped it. So thank you. Sprinkle some off. How did they get it in this small? I'm done. So all of these will stay in their packaging. And I have this blue one. It's just the exact same, just a lot more sprinkles. Kind of slow, more slow rising. But then I got a mini turtle of Jamu, Kelly Maples. Squeeze his head. Oh my god! This is like one of the cutest. Oh my god. I love it. Just 3 more items. Then I'm gonna set them there. Thingy, so the banana, so this is the square. Look at that rise at the bottom. Does eventually come up. So thank you for that. These are not like proper defected. Oh yes, and my emoji one. I'm just like making it focus. Thank you for that. Oh my god, now it's time for the slow rising gifts. Wonderful. So yeah. Oh, my cat's come to join us. Move, Caddy. Here he is. Mwah. Go on then. I literally flattened it. No. I'm keeping it in my hand for a bit. Alright. Look how slow rising that is. Watch. So thank you for that. So that is my squishy haul. So thank you for watching this week's video. Comment down below like what you want me to do. But I'm making a video after this.